Hi guys. Okay, here is what you do week 4. We are only doing 2 lessons. Usually you'll have 3 to 4 lessons, but the first unit in geometry is vocab heavy, and there's a lot of information given that you really need to know for the rest of the year. So I really want for you to take your time with this lesson, these lessons, so that you truly understand it. So what to do this week? There's the write-up right here, and then there's the video that you can watch, and then I'll put it in updates also. So 1.1 video notes, take those notes. So please do not just kind of play the notes and not pay attention or not even attempt the notes. You guys need to watch the notes in entirety and take the notes along with it. There is 1.1 Schoology assignment. Then 1.2 has been broken up into 2 parts. Part 1 is about 13 minutes. Part 2 is about 4 to 5 minutes, I think. And then after that is this 1.1c warm-up. So this goes back to the 1.1 item, or notes, but it's just kind of a short 3-question assignment. And then there's a 1.2 assignment to go with these notes. And then after that, you guys have a annotating worksheet assignment for 1.1 and 1.2. Now, guys, I need for you to make sure that you have watched the annotating video so you know how to do this, because you are essentially saving the PDF, writing on it with your touch screen, then saving that, and then uploading that PDF to me, okay? I don't want pictures sent to me. I don't want pictures of your work. I don't want email, like an email with your assignment in it. It needs to be done this way so it can be graded on this assignment. Other than that, I would like for you to go to your Quizlet vocab that you guys created for this class and quiz yourself, work on the vocab 5 minutes every day so you truly understand that, and that you understand how to draw a ray, a line segment, a plane, a point, how to name those guys, what congruent means, the symbol for congruency, the segment addition postulate. So all those things you really need to know because you will be using those on a daily basis throughout the rest of the year in geometry. All right, I hope you guys have a fantastic week and look for the pop-up sessions. Talk to you guys later. Bye.